Hello everyone. In this time we by using continuously used to the previous time, I will continue to draw a basket again continuously. Maybe in from this point we should use to the circular pattern in this time. Circular pattern is placed in duplication. If we click black arrow below, place it below, then click circular pattern and click this one. Then in case of instances, please 25 number of pattern should be given, and 15 degree can be given to the angular spacing, and in case of reference element, the z direction, following z direction, circular pattern can be drawn like this. There are 25 number, 4 number of extruded can be shown in this circular pattern command. And in this time, please click the split in this time, if you are prepared. If you use the split function and specify as a set above and confirm, the extruded multicircular surface will punch a hole in the basket surface. Therefore, please click the split command can be shown in operations toolbar, and in this element to cut can be selected to multi-sections surface like this. Multi-sections surface is half part of the basket body, this part. Then in case of cutting element, please select circular pattern and extrude. Extrude can be also this one. Is the cutting. Extrude is like this. Circular pattern and extrude. Then others, please select to other side. Then this half body should be splitted. If we click OK, then this should be deleted. Therefore, please undo this split operation, and please redo split command and select multi-sections surface here, and the cutting element should be circular pattern and extrude one. Then other side, then this part is deleted in previously shown you. Therefore, please click other side again. In that case, therefore, other side can be punched like this. You can see the perforation of the hole can be seen like this. However, in another side, this hole should be closed in this time. Therefore, in this case, we should execute the split command once again, and please select in element to cut can be symmetry 3, and the cutting element should be circular pattern 1. Then please click other side, then half part of body should be deleted in this time. Therefore, please select the other side once again, then the hole can be selected in this case. Then the hole can be, the perforation of the hole can be executed in this case. Can you understand that? Then if you click join, this time please select split 1 and split 2. Then if you click preview, then the joined part can be shown in this figure, as shown in this figure, and please click OK button like this. Then in this time please hide some sketch and pattern tools to reduce drawing and clutter. I want to reduce the complexity of this unnecessary part for operation. Then if you click sketch 5, extrude 1 and circular pattern, then please if we want to click simultaneously, you should use control key in the keyboard, and please click mouse number 3 button and hide it. Then you can see this kind of basket body completed like this. Maybe from now we can fulfill the basket drawing. You can finish the basket drawing a few minutes later. Then you can draw some point in this time, because we want to draw some bottom case. Therefore, please click point in the wireframe. Then please give to the coordinate in y direction to 250 millimeter, and in case of z direction minus 200 millimeter can be given, and please click OK. Therefore, this point can be generated in another place. This point, I want to draw another point in this part, in this point. Therefore, please click 205 millimeter minus 205 and give it to minus 205 millimeter in y direction, and preview this and generate another point once again, and please click line definition, line command, and change line type to point, and click point to point like this, and OK button like this. Then this can be shown in this time, and maybe if you finish this part, please select extrude and select the profile in the line, and the direction should be changed to X component, and in case of select the mirror extent, then the mirror extent extruded rectangle surface can be, rectangle shaped surface can be generated in this case. And if you click the split button once again, and extrude 1 is the cut element to cut, and the cutting element should be joined on like this. And in this time, if we click OK, then this part can be splitted. Therefore, it is a mistake. Therefore, please split once again, and element to cut, and the joiner can be selected, and please other side. If we click other side, then this side can be selected like this screen figure, and if we click OK, then this can be closed. In another option, I will use another for making bottom part. For making bottom part, please use boundary like this, and if you click this boundary and generate boundary, and if you click fill button like this, and if you click OK, then also you can made. Two methods can be used for making this bottom part like this. And in this case, for I want to use to the split, for making split, I also use the extrude and mirror extend once again, and the direction should be selected to X direction, X component like this, and please OK button, and boundary should be deleted in this time. Then split once again. I want to show you split is very important, and we should frequently use to the split menu. Therefore, we should use it very well. We must use it very well. And next time, we should join again for this operation, join button from operation toolbar, and split for, and join one can be 3, and join one can be joined once again, and the join 2 can be generated from this operation. Can you do that? And do you finish these jobs like this? And if you think this is okay, then another step can be used for it. Therefore, in order to reduce the complexity, we should hide some things. Point 2, and please hide this for reduce complexity. And then you can rotate it in another direction too, by using mouse button number 1 and number 2 simultaneously, and you can easily observe through and the completion status like this operation well. And if you observe it well, then another step preparation should be needed. For correction it corrected, I will use to the wireframe a part design from the mechanical, from start mechanical design, go to mechanical design and the part design, and enter to the part design workbench from this operation. Almost finish in this time. Therefore, in this case, we should use thick surface button from surface-based features and give it a thickness of first 0 millimeter. Offset should be first offset should be given to 0 millimeter like this, and the second offset should be 3 millimeter. Both of first offset and second offset should be 0 millimeter, then error can be occurred. Therefore, this should be selected to 3 millimeter, and this direction should be object to offset should be joined to, and this is direction. In this case, I want this is offset. It is very important what the arrow direction should be directed. In this case, I want to select another direction to enhancing the thickness of this basket. From this, if we click arrow, end of arrow, then you can choose what kind of direction I want to enhance. I want to offset the thickness. 3 millimeter thickness should be enhanced from this operation. If we click preview, then outer part of the thickness can be made in this case like this. Bottom part, also outer part of the thickness can be generated in this case. Therefore, in this case, please click OK button and hide some unnecessary part. Multi-sections, surfaces, symmetry 3, split 1, 2, join 1, extrude 2. Extrude 2 is the rectangular part for surface making bottom of the basket, and the split 3, join 2 should be selected. And if we selected completely, selected can be used by using keyboard control key, and you can select mouse number 3 button. Then this kind of dialog box, if this kind of dialog box can be seen in the screen, and please select hide and show button like this. Then this multi sections solid status of the basket can be shown in like as shown in this figure. Okay, this is solid basket like this, and in this case, please perforate this hand for handling the basket, for use to handling the basket. For perforating this handle, we should use maybe YZ plane, because this is YZ plane is this plane. Therefore, please click YZ plane first. It is very important what kind of plane I want to draw. I want to sketch drawing, and in this case also this YZ plane is the right direction of that I want to meaning, it have a meaning. Then in this case, from profile button, we should select the elongated hole from this operation, and please select center of, I'm sorry, elongated one first. Please send first part and second part of the geometry can be like this, and please select this dimension to 17.25 millimeter like this. Then this upper and lower line should be changed from white color to green color like this. And in this case, the left center point of the part distance between this should be given to 25 millimeter. And in another case, also the right point of the distance can be selected, and it should be given to 25 millimeter like this. If you select this one very well, then in this case please exit to the sketch workbench from this part. Then you can see this elongated hole should be generated in the center of the basket like this. Can you see this kind of things? Well, if you think it is rightly drawn, then please use, in order to perforate this one, which one do you want to select to perforate it? This one, or hole, or groove, or split, shaft, pocket, pad? Between among these placed in sketchy base features, I think pocket should be selected first to perforate it. However, the distance is 20 too short. In my memories, 160 millimeters should be selected to perforate it. Then you can perforate the left part of the elongated hole can be perforated, and the left handle can be made in this case. However, if we want to perforate the right side of the handle you want to make, then you easily click mirrored extent from this button, and you can see preview button. You click preview button and you can perforate the hole like this. Okay, maybe the completion can be made from this operation, and you can easily use the basket in order to use in the market, and in order to preserve the earth and environmental pollution, you can frequently take this basket if we want to go to the market. Then if you finish the drawing, sketch and drawing, then please maybe you can export to this one to or save as STP file or STL file. Then you can make this by using this file to 3D printer. By using 3D printer, you can make a basket. Okay, I repeat today's operation from this document set for making this basket. In case of first thing, sketch some lines and ellipse of the part, and by using symmetry operations some lines should be generated, and by using multi-sections surface definition command, it is carefully selected by sequence, and another symmetry button you can make symmetry one, and three kind of holes should be generated, and by using extrude option we can perforate some we can make some extrude part, and by using circular pattern 24 circular pattern can be made in this case, and by using split definition we can perforate some holes for basket body, and symmetry split again and join, and made some part, and then made the bottom part from this operation, 2-point generation and line generation and extrude menu. And the next one we use some hide and show and give thickness part and some sketch and a pocket definition. We can make handle from this operation, and basket can be made in all of the basket can be made in this operation, and we can finish the completion. Okay, thank you for watching this time, and I will show another practice to made some by using wireframe and surface design. Next time I will show you more exciting shapes. I promise you. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.